How to change YouTube full screen settings so that it zooms to fill your complete mobile screen. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable the zoom to fill feature of YouTube videos. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is simply launch your YouTube application by tapping onto the app icon. And now once your YouTube application launches, you'll need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now this will lead you to your profile page, and under your profile page you will need to click onto the settings gear icon at the top right, and then from here you will need to scroll down and click on playback. Now within the playback you will see the third and the last option that says zoom to fill screen. Always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So simply enable this, and now all of the videos that you will watch will be filled to fill the screen, and you won't be getting any interference with the black bezels that occur with different videos. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.